after hearing that we know what is happening in this country. There is no, rightly as he said, it is no rule of law. That's absolutely, if there is a proper genuine survey is made, I think the police will have to answer a major charge against them that they are the worst breakers of law in this country. And it is happening repeatedly, and unfortunately nothing is happening through the judiciary. That's the unfortunate part of it. Before I come to that subject, I'll tell briefly about Arun Ferreira. I know Arun's mommy is here. I know Arun's sister, Sandra, they're all living opposite to my house in Bangalore. 39 years they were there. Today, of course, I have shifted on Delhi. They are still in Bandra. And when I came to know he was arrested 4 years ago, I was shocked. And how could he be arrested for what? And then, of course, arrested case after cases. I remember from 2 years ago, they came to me again, told me he has been acquitted in 4 cases. Can we apply to the High Court? Because earlier, bail application would not be given. Can we apply to the High Court? Citing that look, all his cases are identical. I have been acquitted. That the High Court should consider. I advise that you file a writ petition now or a bail application now, saying, look here, similar cases have been filed one after the other. In all cases I have been acquitted. Now I should be given bail. But unfortunately, I say, the High Court didn't accept it. And he continued. All 8 cases are over. And now, of course, suddenly he knows, he says, it is happening all over Vidarbha. It could be happening all over the country. We don't know what's happening. I remember years ago, I had been to Hyderabad, and there you must have heard of a poet, a revolutionary poet, by the name Vara Ram, and he was fighting for the tribal people and so on. And every time he came on the stage, or he wanted to say, or he wanted to, the police would arrest him under 151. We have one provision in the Criminal Procedure Code, 151 CRPC. I wrote an article some years ago, which appeared in the Midday, to say that that's worse than Tada. Because in Tada, then some kind of check is there. Under 151, there's nothing like that. You have to, the police officer has to say, look at your face, I think you are likely to commit an offense. That's what he thinks. And you are arrested. And you are arrested, no question. And you can be kept in the police station for 24 hours. Without any charge, nothing. And then you want to continue, then of course you have to go to the magistrate. Most of the police, what they do is, you are taken there, kept in the police station for 23.59 minutes, and then you are released. So that charge is over. After 2 minutes again they arrest. And you get 151. Never produced before the court, never, and no chance. I remember once I went to Hyderabad for a meeting, myself and Kannambiru were proceeding, and there was another car following us for a public meeting like this only, and another car, some journalists, lawyers were in the other car, and we went, we had to go to a place called Karim Nagar, supposed to be at that time very People's War Group, PWG, they were all active there and so on. We were going there to enter the meeting, and the car, there was 144 there, 144, 145, and I don't know, we could manage to go inside, but the car behind us didn't come at all. And we went there, we waited for some time, we had the meeting, still they were not 16. Then I went to the collector was not there. I went to superintendent of police, he was not there, but somebody was there in the office. He said, sir, we don't know anything about it. So at 5 o'clock the meeting got over, we were on our way back, and these people were coming from another side. And what was that? They were all arrested, detained somewhere, and taken from there, taken to some police station, and they were all charged at 151. At the end of it, by the evening as the meeting got over, they were released. And what could we do? So this Vara Rao wanted to file a writ petition, because he was arrested 13 times like that. And he must file a writ petition. But the High Court said, okay, by the time he comes to the High Court, the case is not there. And therefore, the court said, well, there's nothing against you now, and therefore, petition was dismissed. So the court didn't see today a common man, what in Bombay city, you raise a voice, you protest, police come, arrest and take you to the police station. You ask them under what law. Very often they don't know under what law. As far as the Police Act 110, that may be, but very often they don't know. You are arrested there. If you ask, then they will say make a note in the diary and 151 CRPC. Nagar, supposed to be at that time very People's War Group, PWG. They were all active there and so on. We were going there to address a meeting. And the car there was 144 there, 144, 145. And I don't know, we could manage to go inside, but the car behind us didn't come at all. And we went there, we waited for some time, we had the meeting. Still they were not 16. Then I went to the collector. Collector was not there. I went to Superintendent of Police. He was not there, but somebody was there in the office. He said, sir, we don't know anything about it. So at 5 o'clock the meeting got over. We were on our way back. And these people were coming from another side. And what was that? They were all arrested, detained somewhere, and taken from there, taken to some police station. And they were all charged at 151. At the end of it, by the evening as the meeting got over, they were released. And what could we do? So this Varava Rao wanted to file a writ petition. Because he was arrested 13 times like that. And he must file a writ petition. But the High Court said, okay, by the time he comes to the High Court, the case is not there. And therefore, the court said, well, there's nothing against you now, and therefore, petition was dismissed. So the court didn't see today a common man. What in Bombay city? You raise a voice, you protest, police come, arrest and take you to the police station. You ask them under what law. Very often they don't know under what law. As far as the Police Act 110, that may be, but very often they don't know. You are arrested there. If you ask, then they will say make a note in the diary and 151 CRPC. And in the evening you are let off. That happens to them. So the police can today put down a poor man, a man who resists can put down. Just because you are designed protecting the government, you can be set down by using 151 CRPC.